Is Bitcoin a safe investment or just a risky trend? In this video, you will learn everything about Bitcoin investing in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you will understand what Bitcoin is and how it works. You will also learn how you can invest safely. Let's start from the basics. Bitcoin is a digital currency that exists only online. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or bank. It works on a technology called blockchain. This technology records all transactions securely and publicly. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as a decentralized financial system. The main idea was to give people full control over their money. It allows users to operate without depending on banks or financial institutions. Now the biggest question is why people invest in Bitcoin. The first reason is price growth. Bitcoin has shown massive growth over the years. Early investors bought Bitcoin at very low prices. As demand increased, the price rose significantly. Many investors see Bitcoin as digital gold. They believe it will continue to grow in value over time. The second reason is limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This limited supply creates scarcity. Scarcity increases value when demand rises. The third reason is global accessibility. Anyone with internet access can buy and use Bitcoin. This makes Bitcoin a popular investment worldwide. Now let's talk about how people make money from Bitcoin. The most common method is buying Bitcoin at a lower price, then selling it at a higher price. Bitcoin is highly volatile. This means its price can rise or fall very quickly. Market news and government regulations can affect prices. Investor sentiment also impacts Bitcoin value. Because of this, investors should never invest money they cannot afford to lose. Now let's discuss how beginners can start investing safely. The first step is learning about cryptocurrency. Understanding how Bitcoin works is very important. Knowledge helps investors make better decisions. The second step is choosing a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Popular platforms allow users to buy and sell Bitcoin securely. The third step is creating a secure digital wallet. A crypto wallet stores your Bitcoin safely. Hardware wallets are considered the safest option. They are especially good for long-term investors. The fourth step is starting with a small investment. Beginners should invest gradually. They should avoid investing all their money at once. This strategy helps reduce risk and builds confidence. Another smart strategy is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount regularly. It helps reduce the impact of market volatility. Before investing, remember some important tips. Always do your own research before investing. Avoid emotional decisions based on fear or excitement. Never share your wallet passwords or private keys. Always keep your investment secure. Most importantly, think long-term instead of expecting quick profits. Bitcoin has changed the financial world. It continues to attract investors globally. While it offers high growth potential, It also comes with risks. With proper research and patience, Bitcoin can become a strong investment. It can also become a powerful addition to your portfolio. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more finance content. Comment below if you are planning to invest in Bitcoin. Your feedback helps improve future videos.